Gold will shock the world in 2026. This video might be different from the videos that you have come across by far, because I have been doing for 12 years financial market and I'm financially free as well. So my approach, what I gonna have for gold, because I sold my one house back in 2018-19, around that like point, and by far like I'm in 4 to 5 times in profit in gold. So yeah, I'm super happy. Okay, how things are playing out. So we have seen a little crash last 24 hours. It did drop about like 7 to 8%, but it has recovered. Like whenever you come across crash, it will not like come all the way down. Like what we have seen, gold did drop this much. It did drop. It doesn't mean it'll be coming down right away. No, it'll take some time. It'll be moving towards 5400, and then possibly and again it'll be coming down for some time. So next few days price might comes down. So we have to be very conscious. We have to put our mind into a right levels. We need to figure it out. And the way I'm explaining things, you might feel, oh, this guy is talking very different. Yes, because technically I am one of the best in the world, or maybe the best in the world. Why? Because thousands of videos I have posted. Now for this year, for like long term, potentially $10,000. Potentially by the end of the year, $10,000 and above. Potentially, it got the potential. If it does break the previous top, then that's going to be an interesting level to watch out. Once I see price closed above it, that's going to be like bigger than the way it climbed. The way it climbed this way, it's going to be bigger than that after that, once it breaks the previous top. Because now, because of the war that's happening in the world, constant, like some part of the world are fighting. Almost everyone can see that like US is in debt over $36 trillion. That's the money they are in debt. That's A. B, US dollars is like getting like devalue gradually. People are not trusting the dollar anymore. And by the way, it's just the beginning, because the stock market, the US stock market is at all-time high, and it didn't drop at all. So there's a huge possibility a new all-time high will come in gold, because the US stock market didn't drop. It just dropped a bit yesterday, but it is already at all-time high. Governments are like converting into gold, because there's a huge possibility we can see a financial market crash. Means like asset class, crypto, stock market, they can see a dip, man, potentially in upcoming this. And if that happens, this all metals, then people start trusting into metals. So next 2-3 years, potentially 1500, that's also possibility. Huge possibility. It can do 3 times in upcoming days. So if you did have at any point of time, no issue, man. Like for short time it might fluctuate, but for long term it's like it's one of the best you can think of. And in my portfolio, and how do I have diversified gold, I have given 30% of allocation into gold. 30%, because someone like me who have been doing for 12 years financially free, I want some sort of diversification, man. And for me, that's very important part of my life. So my prediction, potentially $20,000 by 2027. And interesting levels we have after, once we got the closing, that's going to be an interesting level to watch out. To add, possibly we'll do our research. Once we got the closing confirmation, we'll do our research after that. Right now, no. It might comes down around 4694, 4700. Yeah, there's a huge possibility we can see a sell-off. It might not come all the way down. Let me just draw this and then tap over here. It might not come all the way down like this. No, that won't happen. That doesn't happen in financial market. It might go up like this, and then yes, so we might see a sell-off in upcoming days. 4700, 4800, these are like interesting levels to watch out, to do our research at. I wish you all the best. Have a nice day.